Hi, this is Ms. Wiles, and this is a video about linear functions. This is a problem that you would have to do without a calculator. Let's take a look at what we have here. The chart shows the amount of total salary, commission plus base salary paid to employees of a store that specializes in big screen televisions. Now we have this big chart. The title of the chart is important because it tells you that it's the total salary based on number of televisions sold. The labels for the x-axis and the y-axis are also important because this being our x-axis tells us that x, or maybe n, whichever one you want to use, is the number of televisions sold. The y-axis, or capital T in this case, however they label it, is the total salary based on the number of televisions sold. In this question, you're asked to find which equation best represents the total salary, T, that an employee makes for selling any number of television sets, N. Now, if you again look at your answer choices, every answer choice is in the slope-intercept form, the y equals mx plus b. It's just that in this case, the y is a t and the x is an n. So we need to fill in the blanks for the rest. What goes here is the slope, and what goes here, maybe it's a minus, so I'm just putting a plus because everything here is positive, but what goes in this blank, in the second blank, is the y-intercept. Now if I look at this linear progression, because it looks linear, everything's in a straight line if I were connecting it, but you can't sell like 1.5 televisions. That's why there's no line connecting these dots, because you can only sell televisions in a whole number. You can't sell 1.5 TVs or 4.5 TVs. So that's why these are dots. Now, based on this linear progression, if you didn't sell any TVs at all, you would make $100. Because they have to give you some kind of salary or you'd just quit. So knowing what these values mean, the 50 and the 100, well, this doesn't even look like slope-intercept form, but we might have to do something with it. Look at them and see if one of them fits. What is the slope? Well, the slope is the change in between values. I could choose any two of these points and look at the rise over the run. How much is it changing? How much are we adding to Y every time we sell another TV? We're adding $50 every time that we sell a TV. So our slope is 50 because that's how much our salary is changing every time that we sell another TV. The y-intercept is what would happen if we sell 0 TVs. And if we sell 0 TVs based on this pattern that we see with these dots, that would be a 100. Therefore, our equation is A. T equals 50N plus 100. And you can verify that that's true by choosing any one of these points. If I sell 5 TVs, I have T equals 50 times 5 plus 100. 50 times 5 is 250, and if I add 100 to that, I should get 350. So if I trace this up to see how much I would get paid if I sell 5 TVs, I can trace that dot across, and it matches the 350, and so I've checked a couple of things just to be sure that I have the right answer, and the correct answer is A. And that's all I have to say about that.